Hello my technical friends, we are in lab 2.3.5 and we are going to create a new file. Alright, so let's start. So you need to create a script file to change and export the shell environmental variable as the C shell. You have decided to use the Vim editor to do this. So in this lab, your task is to use the Vim to open a new file named /etc/pref_shell and add the following lines to the new file: shell equals /bin/c sh and export shell, save and close the file. Alright, so that is pretty much what we need to do. So let's go ahead and start lab. Alright, so should in case you need a more detailed one-on-one video lessons on how to solve any compTIA tester lab, you may want to consider joining my professional membership by clicking the join button on this video, and you will get insider specs and also detailed one-on-one video lessons on how to solve any Testout lab. Alright, so we just wait for the lab to load so that we start up right away. Alright, so the lab is loaded. Let us start up right away. So we'll go to a terminal and open terminal. Alright, our terminal is open. So let's drag this to the middle so that you see what I'm doing clearly. So here I type in vim/etc/pref_shell and then you press enter. Okay, so at this time we're going to type in shell equals to /bin/csh and then press enter, then type in export shell and press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe, share so that others can benefit. Also, remember to join my professional membership where you get inside aspects on how to solve any compTIA tester lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.